Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. We have some very important news on XRP, but before we get into that, make sure you hit that like button and make sure you hit the subscribe button so the YouTube algorithm notifies you of all the latest XRP news. And now let's get right into it. So the other day, XRP was down a little bit. Actually, it was down about, I think, almost 10%. It went down into the 50s, but then came back up. I didn't put out a video the other day, and I thought some people might have been like worried about, do I think XRP is like gonna crash or something like that? But the reason I didn't put out a video was just because I was busy. I think we had a healthy correction, and I think that was needed to get rid of some of the weak hands in the market. There was nothing, off about me not uploading. It really was just I was busy with other work and I didn't have time to put out a video. So anyone who was like wondering where I was the other day with XRP being down, there was nothing worrying going on where I was paranoid. I was just kind of like, whatever, I'm in it for the long haul. There was going to be I was expecting pullbacks. All my videos on technical analysis have been saying there's going to be pullbacks. Just, hodl through them or add to your position. That's of course not financial advice. But today, XRP is up a little bit, and we have some very interesting news. Former Goldman Sachs hedge fund chief says he's warming to XRP, analyzing potential of third largest cryptocurrency. A prominent macro strategist and former Goldman Sachs hedge fund manager says XRP has piqued his interest. Now, Raul Paul, who recently invested 90% of his liquid assets into Bitcoin and holds a small amount of Ethereum, is now learning all he can about XRP. Quote, I'm warming to XRP. To be honest, I have a basic understanding. I don't own it yet. Powell's public exploration of XRP triggered a wide range of responses on crypto Twitter. He says the naysayers are only making him more interested in forming his own opinions. Now, here's the interesting quote here. If somebody tells me not to look at Ripple, I will go and look at Ripple because you will not tell me what to do. And I will find out myself what its flaws and what its potential benefits are and assess the probability myself, okay? I may reach the exact same conclusions as you. I may reach completely different conclusions. Paul says traders should make level-headed and independent calls on investment opportunities and analyze whether the market is undervaluing the potential of a given asset. Ultimately, Paul says macro traders often have a unique perspective on the markets, and he urges crypto enthusiasts to keep an open mind as to what's required to bring new money into the space. Quote, so that's why I come at it. And I think all the macro guys, we just come at it differently. And I understand that some in the crypto community doesn't like that because it kind of feels like we're abusing the space. But much like I talked about with regulation, I get people upset when I say regulation is a good thing. But if you want to get rich, people are going to have to come into the space. And I don't really disagree with him. I mean, especially in that last point, I think the fact that so many in the community are, they kind of turn a blind eye to XRP. To me, that just signals more opportunity. I think what's happening right now with XRP is that is where the smart money is going. Now, I do think Bitcoin and Ethereum have potential also. I'm not saying I dislike Bitcoin or I dislike Ethereum, but for me personally, I am holding most of my positions in XRP. I'm holding most of my crypto portfolio in XRP because I just think the risk-reward ratio is much better for XRP versus Bitcoin or Ethereum. And just to reiterate, I'm not saying I dislike Bitcoin or Ethereum. I own both of them also, but I just think XRP is where it's at right now. I think XRP has the brightest future because when you look at the amount of companies and businesses and just tremendous utility value with XRP, I think you can make your own judgment call. And I think it's very important for, potential investors, and this is not financial advice, but potential investors who are looking at XRP to do their own research and to, really look into things for themselves. Don't listen to what some guy on Twitter said about, oh, this is centralized or whatever. Always, do your own research and always listen to both sides. I never tell people to just listen to my, opinions. I think you should basically listen to two opposite opinions on something and basically formulate your own opinion on that. And that's how you do that. So you could listen to someone who hates XRP and someone like me who loves XRP and come and form your own opinion on which side you agree with or if you're just in the middle. But yeah, just to reiterate, former Goldman Sachs hedge fund chief says he's warming to XRP. Very, very interesting. I'm really excited for what XRP is going to be doing. XRP is up about 0.64% in the past 24 hours. It's holding at about 61 cents. Bitcoin's up a little bit. Ethereum down a little bit. It's very much a slow day in the markets, but I am recording this at 12 a.m. So That may change by the time you're watching this video. So definitely keep your eye on things, definitely be doing your research, and definitely make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I will catch you next time, and as always, I hope you all have a really, really great day, and keep on hodling. Inbox Dollars allows you to earn extra money doing paid surveys in your spare time. Use my link below in the description and you will earn a $5 bonus for sign up. Do not miss out and be sure to use my link.